Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about Mosaic and how I generate OG images with Mosaic. So, Mosaic is for generating open graph social images by automatically using your hero section as an OG image. So, for example, this blog page, if you click on this, is the image for the blog page. So, it will generate this image and give it as a PNG file that you can host in your website. So you can just copy paste this URL in your website and it'll give an OG image for that. So how I'm generating this OG image is from here. So here we have some files, some functions. Let's go one by one and I'll tell you what happens everywhere. So first we start from here. So this is where it starts processing OG image request, and it then if the URL is not present, missing URL parameter, so we must add a URL to the OG image first, and it validates the URL. So if the URL is broken or something, it validates it here, and if it's not valid, it just throws an error here. And next it generates a cache key for that URL so that it's easier to pick up the image next time. So if the cache is present, if the image is already present in the database, it checks for that, checking if website if cached image already exists, it just redirects it here itself. And if the website exists, it extracts the base URL for that and checks if the website exists. So people who have added the website or can only generate those images, so it just checks for the website once, and if a website exists, it takes a screenshot and it uploads it to R2. R2 is like the storage for our images. And if it's in demo mode, it does some other things to just replace the image, and if it's in prod mode, it just directly redirects us to the R2 image. And how we are generating the screenshot, how we are taking the screenshot is from here using Cloudflare browser rendering. So Cloudflare has this product called browser rendering, which you can just call URL and it renders the screenshot of that whatever you are passing it to. So I'm passing the API URL here, and I'm asking it to take a screenshot of the URL with this viewport, and it just waits till network idle is 0 and then takes a screenshot, and it adds this style tag just to remove the scroll bar if there is any. And yeah, that's how it generates the screenshot. So super simple, just a Cloudflare browser rendering, and it uploads to R2, take the screenshot, uploads to R2, check if demo image exists. So that's for in the homepage I have a demo, so if it's a demo, it just checks in the R2 database if the demo image already exists. So yeah, that's it, super simple. And here it's very helpful. So I create lots of websites, and I don't need to create OG images for each and every website page only of each and every website. I can just have an OG image, something similar to this, and this looks good in the social medias. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.